In this video, I'll talk about how you can credit back on Temu. So how this works is you want to head over to your orders and I'll show you how to do it on the desktop as well as on your phone. So on your desktop, come to your profile and go to your orders. In here, you want to select the order and then you can click on the options and you'll be able to return or refund the item. If you're on your phone, what you want to do is get the app, go to your orders, select the item and do return/refund. Choose a reason and then just select the refund method. This can be in the original payment or in Temu credits. Submit it, and sometimes they're going to ask you to print a return label if you need to ship it back. And once they get the item, they will process your refund. Now, like I said on the website, it's the exact same. Just go into your orders, select the item and do the return/refund, and then just follow the instructions. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.